The most mind-blowing AI breakthroughs this year, 2025. 2025 is the year AI truly blew our minds. From AI creating entire films to breakthroughs in brain-computer interfaces, this is not science fiction, it's happening right now. In this video, we'll explore the most jaw-dropping AI breakthroughs of the year that are changing everything. Number 1. Sora by OpenAI. The future of video generation is here. If you thought AI-generated images were impressive, wait until you see what OpenAI's Sora can do. Sora is a groundbreaking text-to-video AI model that turns plain text into full-motion, cinematic-quality video clips. It's like having a personal Hollywood studio powered by artificial intelligence ready to bring your imagination to life. With Sora, you can write something as simple or as wild as a futuristic city where robots walk dogs under neon skies. And within seconds, you'll have a visually stunning video that brings that vision to life. What's remarkable is how accurate, dynamic, and context-aware these videos are. Objects interact realistically, lighting changes with movement, and the AI even captures small details like shadows and reflections. Unlike earlier models that could only produce short, jittery clips, Sora excels at creating longer and smoother videos with consistent motion and logic. Characters can move naturally, interact with the environment, and even maintain emotional expression. This level of realism is achieved thanks to advanced machine learning techniques and deep neural networks trained on vast datasets. But Sora isn't just about visual effects. It represents a major shift in how humans and machines collaborate creatively. Filmmakers can use it for rapid prototyping, educators can visualize abstract concepts, marketers can craft eye-catching campaigns, and YouTubers can generate content faster than ever before. Moreover, Sora is a milestone in OpenAI's broader mission to build multimodal AI systems that can understand and generate not just text but also images, audio, and now video. It's a step toward AI that truly understands the world like humans do. Number 2. Brain-computer interfaces by Neuralink, merging mind with machine. When we talk about the most mind-blowing AI breakthroughs in 2025, Neuralink's brain-computer interface, BCI, easily tops the list. Imagine being able to control devices not with your hands, voice, or gestures, but with your thoughts alone. That's exactly what Neuralink is making possible. Founded by tech visionary Elon Musk, Neuralink has been on a mission to bridge the gap between the human brain and machines. Their latest development? A brain implant so small and precise, it can be inserted into your skull to directly interface with your neurons. Once in place, this chip picks up brain signals, decodes them using sophisticated AI algorithms, and translates those signals into digital commands. The result? You can move a computer cursor, control a robotic limb, or even play a video game just by thinking. In early 2025, Neuralink made headlines around the world when a human volunteer was able to use the implant to operate a laptop without touching it. This marked the first time a consumer-grade BCI enabled real-time interaction with a digital device in a fully wireless and seamless manner. But Neuralink's ambitions go far beyond just control. They envision a future where these brain interfaces can help paralyzed individuals walk again, restore vision to the blind, and even enhance cognitive abilities like memory and learning speed. With the help of AI, the chip continuously learns and adapts to the user's brain patterns, improving in accuracy and speed over time. And here's where it gets even more futuristic. Elon Musk has stated that Neuralink could eventually enable telepathic communication, letting people share thoughts directly without speaking or typing. Think about what that could mean for language barriers, mental health support, or even gaming. Of course, the ethical and technical challenges are massive, ranging from brain surgery risks to data privacy. But if Neuralink succeeds, we're talking about a future where human intelligence and artificial intelligence merge, potentially creating a new kind of superintelligence. Number 3. Devin, the world's first AI software engineer. In March 2024, the AI world witnessed a jaw-dropping moment, the introduction of Devin, the world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer, created by the startup Humane AI. And no, this isn't just another chatbot or coding assistant. Devin can actually design, code, debug, test, and deploy full software projects on its own. What sets Devin apart is that it behaves just like a real software engineer. Give it a GitHub issue or a user story, and Devin will spin up a development environment, write code, run tests, and even push commits. It can browse documentation, install packages, and fix bugs, all without human intervention. This is not science fiction. Devin has already been tested on real-world software engineering tasks, including contributing to open-source projects and completing jobs on freelance platforms like Upwork. In benchmarking tests, it completed over 13% of real coding tasks end-to-end, a number that might sound small but is groundbreaking for AI capabilities in 2025. But Devin isn't just a productivity tool. It represents a paradigm shift in the future of work. Imagine startups that need zero human engineers. Imagine solo founders scaling products without hiring developers. Devin brings us one step closer to an AI that can build other AI autonomously. Of course, this also sparks debate. If AI like Devin continues to improve, what happens to millions of jobs in software development? Will developers be replaced, or will they work alongside AI to become AI-powered engineers? The conversation around ethics, job disruption, and ownership of code is just getting started. Still, the potential is massive. Devin could help democratize software creation, making it accessible to non-programmers and empowering innovation in parts of the world with limited access to tech education. It could also help address the global developer shortage that companies have been facing for years. The real magic lies in Devin's learning loop. Every time it completes a task, it learns from its successes and mistakes, getting better over time, just like a human developer. Powered by advanced language models and reinforcement learning, Devin is not just another AI tool. It's the first glimpse of what future AI employees might look like. Number 4. AlphaGeometry by Google DeepMind. In early 2024, Google DeepMind quietly dropped one of the most fascinating AI breakthroughs of the year, AlphaGeometry, an artificial intelligence system that can solve geometry problems from the International Mathematical Olympiad, IMO, and do it at a near-human level. Yes, you heard that right. Geometry, one of the most visual and abstract branches of mathematics, something that has historically been challenging for machines to understand, was tackled head-on by AlphaGeometry. And the results? Simply mind-blowing. AlphaGeometry was able to solve 25 out of 30 Olympiad-level geometry problems, a score that rivals even the best high school math prodigies. It doesn't just give you an answer either. It writes full, logical, step-by-step proofs, just like a human mathematician. This is a major leap forward from previous math AIs, which struggled with visual reasoning and abstract symbolic manipulation. How does it work? AlphaGeometry combines symbolic deduction with neural language models. One part of the system acts like a traditional AI that follows logic and math rules, while the other uses deep learning to predict the next steps in solving a problem. It's like pairing a seasoned logician with a creative AI assistant, and it works beautifully. Why does this matter? Because for the first time, we're seeing AI approach the kind of creative, logical reasoning that was once considered exclusive to human intelligence. Solving IMO problems requires more than memorizing formulas. It takes insight, pattern recognition, and intuition. AlphaGeometry doesn't just memorize math, it understands how to reason through it. This opens doors not just for education, but also for automated theorem proving, mathematical discovery, and even scientific research. One day, AI systems like AlphaGeometry could help physicists explore new laws of nature, or assist mathematicians in solving problems that have remained open for decades. Imagine AI not only helping students learn math, but also creating new math. That's the direction we're heading in. DeepMind has stated that AlphaGeometry was designed with interpretability in mind. It doesn't produce black box results. Instead, it outputs clear, human-readable solutions that teachers and students can learn from. This sets a powerful precedent for how AI should be used in educational settings. In 2025, the rise of AI like AlphaGeometry marks a shift from language understanding to pure reasoning. And that might just be the beginning of a new era where AI doesn't just replicate human tasks, but starts to contribute to our deepest intellectual challenges. Number 5. Humane AI Pin and Rabbit R1 AI in your pocket. In a world dominated by smartphones and touchscreens, 2024 introduced two game-changing devices that push us closer to a hands-free, screenless future: the Humane AI Pin and the Rabbit R1. These compact, wearable AI assistants promise a whole new way of interacting with technology without needing a screen at all. Let's start with the Humane AI Pin. Created by former Apple executives, this sleek, badge-sized device clips onto your clothing and uses a combination of voice recognition, gesture control, and even a built-in projector to help you interact with information. It's powered by advanced AI and can perform tasks like answering questions, sending messages, translating speech in real time, and even summarizing your day. What's revolutionary? It projects a display onto your hand or any surface. No phone, no smartwatch, just your palm as a screen. Next up is the Rabbit R1, a small pocket-sized orange gadget that looks like a walkie-talkie but is powered by a powerful, large action model, LAM. Unlike traditional voice assistants, Rabbit R1 doesn't respond to commands, it learns how to use apps for you. Yes, you can literally teach it how to use Spotify, DoorDash, or your calendar app by showing it once. After that, it performs actions just like a human assistant would. Think of it as a digital butler who learns your routines and handles tasks without you lifting a finger. What makes these devices so exciting is that they're not just AI tools, they're AI interfaces. They redefine how we interact with machines. Instead of swiping and tapping, you speak, gesture, or simply look. Instead of staring at a glowing screen, your entire world becomes the interface. Why does this matter? Because it marks a shift from smartphones to ambient, wearable AI. It's not about bigger screens or faster chips. It's about smarter, more intuitive experiences. These devices are the first real steps into post-smartphone computing, where AI isn't trapped inside a box in your pocket, it's everywhere, integrated into your daily life. Imagine walking down the street, asking your AI Pin to book an Uber, translate a conversation, or summarize your unread emails without pulling anything out of your bag. That's the vision of Humane and Rabbit. And while it's still early, the potential here is massive. In 2025, these wearables are setting the stage for a new category of AI-native devices, ones that could one day replace smartphones altogether. And if that happens, we might look back at these little gadgets as the beginning of the end for traditional screens. The world of AI is evolving faster than ever, and these breakthroughs are just the beginning. Which one blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the future, because the next big leap might be just one click away.